Progress isn't always fast, but the key is to keep moving forward. In Chapter 12 of Atomic Habits, James Clear introduces a powerful idea. Success doesn't come from perfection, but from persistence. Let's explore how steady progress, no matter how small, can lead to lasting transformation. The power of consistency over perfection. Imagine you're climbing a steep hill. Some days your steps are big and confident. Other days they're small and cautious. What matters isn't the size of the steps. It's the direction you're heading. Clear emphasizes that small, consistent actions are far more impactful than sporadic bursts of effort. Even when progress feels slow, as long as you're not moving backward, you're winning. Step 1. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Rather than fixating on the end goal, concentrate on the daily habits that lead you there. For example, if you want to lose weight, focus on eating one healthy meal a day rather than obsessing over the number on the scale. If you're learning a new skill, dedicate 15 minutes daily rather than worrying about how long it will take to master it. Small wins build momentum and confidence over time. Step 2. Embrace setbacks as part of the journey. Clear reminds us that setbacks are inevitable, but they don't define us. What matters is how quickly we get back on track. Missed a workout? No problem. Just don't skip 2 in a row. Ate an unhealthy meal? Make your next one nutritious. By viewing setbacks as temporary, you maintain forward momentum. Step 3. The importance of reflection. Reflection helps you stay aligned with your goals. Take a moment to ask yourself, what worked well this week? Where did I struggle? What small adjustments can I make to improve next week? Reflection isn't about self-criticism. It's about learning and growing. Step 4. Track your progress. Clear suggests using visual cues like habit trackers to celebrate small wins. Seeing your streak grow, even if it's just one small success a day, reinforces your commitment and builds motivation to keep going. The bottom line, walk slowly but never backward, isn't just a mantra, it's a way of life. Progress doesn't have to be perfect, and setbacks don't have to derail you. Every small step forward counts, no matter how tiny it feels. Reflection. What's one habit you've been struggling to stick with? Commit to taking one small step today, no matter how slow, and watch how it transforms over time.
Doodles of content you already love. Click in the video in the center of the screen to watch the next chapter and learn more about the atomic habits that can transform your life.